check out that rock face. How cool is that? And all the colors, like different things that happened in different geological times. So neat. Imagine how much work this road was to create. Yeah, I definitely don't want to come through here during a storm. That would just be flooded. Looks like it gets a pretty heavy flow across here. Never seen a crossover like this. This is a good idea. It's probably less likely to wash away than other stuff. That's to the left, that's to the right. Cool, look at this. This is so neat. But yeah, I don't want to be up here when it's flooding. Holy mackerel. Judging by that, it gets quite a bit of water flowing in here during a storm. Fingers crossed there's at least a campsite available. Camping this way.
You have arrived.
Probably a pit toilet right there. Quite a few camping spots in here. I bet this place gets packed during the summer. Right on the water. What do you got there?
Little salamander.
Oh.
Buddy?
The turtle. Sheltowee Trail. Definitely aren't sneaking up on anybody out here. So now we're on the road. Back there, the trail just ended and threw us out onto the road. What a jip. There's our turtle. The turtle on the tree again. 2/10 of a mile, and then we look for a pile of rocks. This little marvelous little spring. I bet that's the rocks. No, maybe, no. Where's the pile of rocks? Oh, there's the cave. I think we gotta climb over the pile of rocks and it opens. First, before I enter treachery, let's go take a look at this. Whoa, this is neat. There's the cave entrance. That's cool. Look at that color. My goodness. Check that out. That is so beautiful. Can you see that color on the rocks? It's like this crazy, crazy turquoise green. Kind of glacial, almost. There's the ominous cave entrance. The review said we climb over those rocks and then it opens up. Ooh, spooky. Alright, I think we're going up over there. We're back up there. It's a little musty smelling in here, eh? Yeah, the Google review says climb over the rocks, drop down, you'll see the arrow, follow the arrow back. Whoa.
Whoa, giant spiders.
Ew, I don't know if I
God.
can do that. Oh my God. I don't know if I can go back further, that's huge. These spiders, that's gross, there's like spiders. I don't think I can do it.
I'm gonna go in a little further till one falls on me.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, this goes down.
There's a lot of spiders in here. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. See how sparkly?
There's water dripping back there.
Neato. So that's the arrow to keep going back. But it gets pretty small. It might open up, but I don't know. There's too many spiders falling from the sky. This does look a little sketch.
Got this big one over here.
Does Kentucky have earthquakes?
That could be poisonous.
Looking for it opening up. Okay, just up and over this and it should open up. Oh yeah, there we go. Hurts to one-handed. Fresh air and skies out there. Whew, back out in fresh air. Done with our spelunking voyage. I could just sit here and watch like the little ripples in the water for hours. The sun finally decided to come out.
Awesome. What actually happened?
Bike 1, bike 2. Bike 1, bike 2. You ready to ride or what?
I think so.
We're gonna go that way. Maybe about 5.5 miles out, and then I suppose we'll come back. Don't be fooled by the sunshine. It's still really cold out. Here's our road. Not super exciting, but it's just good to get out. Okay, that was a pretty good hill. I think the entire elevation gain of this ride all happens in the last quarter mile of the ride, which is fine because then we can turn around and go Mach 2 on the way back. Yeah, this is the end of the road as we know it. Let's go check out this tree. It caught my eye from the road. Doesn't it look like a reptile? Are you ready for a downhill?
I think we got some downhill ahead.
We got a lot of downhill ahead. Whoop, whoop. There's the South Booty Trail. That's where we hiked yesterday. Up, up, up on that ridge. You probably can't see it, but off to the left here, there's a really cool canyon that we're riding just above. It's kind of neat to look down into it. Look at that little guy tucked right in there. Now we're back at camp enjoying the campfire. So I just got up and it is 33 degrees in here. What time? Look at that crazy coral color. Oh, cool. Look at this tree. Like a peekaboo tree. Maybe the peekaboo species. Okay, it's been a few months since I last cut my hair, so I got it in my front ponytail, and I'm just gonna chop probably, I don't know, maybe like 4 inches, 5 inches off the bottom, and hope for the best. I'm gonna cut. That's it. You gotta check this out. It's been a steady trickle of rain. Like there's a waterfall down by this little creek here, and the water's gushing in from this side thing that barely had any water coming in. Check it out. Isn't that cool? That was just barely dripping from the very, very bottom, like an ooze. And that was it when we got here. And then there's a pretty steady, you can see by the leaves, it's moving at a pretty good, it's trucking along. And furthermore, check over here. So check out this section. This little incoming stream, I barely even remember it because it wasn't even a blip on my radar. And now look at it. So I could see why you have to be careful. If there was a downpour, it could flash flood in here. And that's it for the Foot Campground. On our way out, vans are all packed up. We're ready to go. And we're gonna head into town and do a non-luxurious day of errands today. I took a shower in my van, so as you can see, my hair is pretty wet. So it won't be bad to actually drive for an hour or so with the heat on, dry out my hair. So get on the road again. Check that out. And that was pretty much dry when we got here, but that's nutty. I could see this would flood pretty easily. So right about now, they're about to close this campground down for the season. You'd be stuck here. Sheesh. That snowflakes coming down. Time to go somewhere warmer, that's for sure. Sheesh. Whoa, it is really coming down. This is the snow. It's insane. I just left the laundromat and I think we're gonna overnight just in a truck stop or restaurant or Walmart, some kind of parking lot tonight, which I'm really grateful for because this snow is kind of crazy.